Hello and welcome everyone to a new video of 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to log in to your BJ's credit card account online. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open up your web browser and search for BJ's credit card account login. Once you search for this, you can see the first website, which is from Embedding Financial or Commenty. You can just click on this link which says My BJs Mastercard or credit card. So just click on this link and it's going to take you to the credit card section, from where you just need to click on the sign in button. Once you click on sign in, this login form will open up. So first of all, you need to type in the username that you created while signing up. So type in your username and then type in the password. But just in case you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on this link which says forgot user ID/password, and through this section you can type in your account number or your username, your zip code or your postal code, select your identity type and type in the last 4 digits of it. Once you do, you can follow the steps to successfully recover it. Once you type in both of this information correctly, you can click on sign in and you will be easily signed in to your BJ's credit card account online. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.